Political Science for class 12. Today we are going to start the chapter Environment and Natural Resources. Children, environment we all know is of great importance for all of us, and so are the natural resources, because all the things in our life depend on the resources that we get from the nature and the environment in which we live. So, both of them are of great importance, and they are of the great national and international importance. And the contemporary world politics is also concerned mainly with the global issues, and it is dominated by the issues, I mean to say the contemporary world. It is dominated by the issues that are related to the environment and the use of the natural resources. And to protect and conserve the natural resources, several movements throughout the world, including our own country, India, have been launched for the purpose of protection of the environment and, of course, to protect the natural resources and their conservation. So, here we will see and understand the notion or concept of global commons and global politics. But before we start the global commons and global politics, I would like to take these points into consideration. Okay, and as I have told you earlier also, they are of the serious nature for the entire world. And these environmental concerns are based on the following facts that we see in present time. They are as follows. Throughout the world, in the entire world, the cultivable areas, the usable, the land that we use for cultivation, that area is decreasing, and moreover the agricultural land that we have, that is also losing the natural fertility, so that is also deteriorating. Then grasslands that are overgrazed, and fisheries, they are also consumed to more than the requirement, so they are badly affected. Then the quality and purity of water throughout the world is also polluted, and it is of not good quality to be consumed, and that can cause health problems. Then quality and purity of water, that I have told you, is not good. The natural forests that are essential for the climate, for the rains, and for its stabilization of the environment, such forests have been cut, and that has led to the displacement of people and affected the biodiversity also adversely. Then the ozone layer, that is also depleting and endangering the life of human beings and the ecosystem. Besides them, the coastal area, the area near the oceans, seas, that life has also increased, and if it is going on in the same speed and manner, that will deteriorate the quality of marine environment also, if the human activities are not checked. So, considering these facts that might endanger the life of of all the human beings and the biodiversity also, so considering such facts, and a movement was started, and that was started by a group of people known as a global think tank, and also known as the Club of Rome. that came out with a book that was published in 1972, and the title is Limits to Growth. So it came out with the observations that dwell upon the dramatic depletion of Earth's resources. And for that, United Nations Environment Program, that is, the abbreviation is UNEP, United Nations Environment Program, held international conferences and promoted detailed studies to get effective and collective response to such problems. Okay, so the United Nations, that is an international organization that held the conferences mainly related to the promotion and to have collective response from all the countries towards the control and check the pollution that can endanger the life. So in June 1992, UNCED, abbreviation is, that stands for the United Nations Conference on Environment and Development. Okay, and this conference was held in Brazil, Rio de Janeiro. Okay, that is in Brazil, and it is popularly known as the Earth Summit. The Earth Summit is when the conference is attended by the heads of the states. Summit means the top level officials, the heads of the states that attend the conference on great international issues, that is called summit. So that summit was mainly related to the conservation of the natural resources and the protection of the environment on the earth. Okay, and it was attended by more than 170 countries, and many NGOs had also attended that, and it led to Convention on Climate Change, biodiversity, forest and natural environment, natural resources, and recommended a list of development practices. Okay, the issues, the topics, the ways, called Agenda 21. So that was a program decided in this conference that was held in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, in the year 1992, that observed the issues and tried to find out the solutions, and a list was prepared, and that is known as Agenda 21, and that focused on economic growth. Naturally, we all want to develop, but that focused on economic growth with ecological responsibilities. And I hope you know, when do we celebrate Earth Summit? Yes, 22nd of April. Rest of the things we will do in the next lecture. Thank you.